Does your factory have an operator everyone depends on? Need to change product specifications? He knows the settings, switching to a new material. He knows the process, adjusting production parameters. Everyone turns to him. Every factory seems to have that one experienced technician who keeps production running smoothly. But what happens when that person is unavailable? Production consistency becomes harder to maintain. Quality starts to fluctuate. Valuable know-how remains locked in individual experience instead of becoming a company asset. Modern cable manufacturing can no longer rely on experience alone. That is why Sinkshire's high-speed insulation extrusion lines come equipped with our self-developed SCADA platform as standard. Built on an industrial-grade HMI, the platform integrates Sinkshire's proprietary SICK machine control subsystem and SIAT data acquisition subsystem into a single interface, bringing machine control, data acquisition, and real-time production monitoring together on one screen. Powered by Cloud Edge collaboration technology, it enables real-time data collection, equipment status analysis, anomaly alerts, and remote operation from a unified platform. Production orders can be sent directly to the machine interface, while validated process recipes are automatically downloaded to the PLC. This helps eliminate setup errors, standardize operations, and improve production efficiency. As a result, operators with only weeks of experience can follow proven production standards and achieve the same level of production consistency that once depended on years of shop floor experience. Because smart manufacturing isn't about relying on exceptional individuals. It is about building systems that deliver exceptional results. Put standards into the system, not into people,